Good morning students, today we will study a poem from Beehive. The name of the poem is Wind. Students, everybody is familiar with the wind, that when wind blows slowly there is less destruction, but when wind blows fast, storm comes, then it becomes destructive. Students, in this poem we will find a conversation between the poet and the wind. The poet has requested the wind to blow softly, slowly, and not to scatter the books from the shelf, and when the poet requested the wind did not follow and it blew fast, and it had made many destructions for the poet. Now all of you open your book and see the poem Wind. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Students, in these lines the poet makes a request to the wind. Wind comes softly. Now the poet requests the wind to blow softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. And the poet advises the wind not to break the shutters of the windows. Shutters means window pane, that is. Don't scatter the papers. Again the poet requests the wind not to scatter the papers, not to throw the papers here and there. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. And the poet also makes a request to the wind that the wind should blow softly so that the books should not be thrown down from the shelf. But students, when the poet makes a request to the wind to blow softly and not to break the shutters of the window and not to scatter the papers, not to throw down the books from the shelf, but the wind did not follow him. The wind did not listen to the request of the poet, and it blew fast. When it blew fast, then what happened? Let's see. There, look what you did, you threw them all down. When the poet requested the wind not to blow fast, but the wind did not follow and it blew fast, what destructions it had made? The wind had thrown all the books down. You tore the pages of the books. The poet finds that the wind had torn the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Not only this, when wind blew fast, it brought rain also. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Weakling means weak person or animal. Weaklings. Weak person or animals. Weak person or animal. The poet says that the wind makes fun of weak person or animal. You are very clever at poking fun, making fun at weaklings, frail crumbling houses. Frail means weak, crumbling houses. Crumbling means breaking. Crumbling means breaking. Crumbling means breaking. The poet says that the wind makes fun of weak person or animals, and it breaks the weak houses, crumbling doors, it breaks the weak doors, crumbling rafters. Rafters meaning given sloping beams supporting a roof. It also breaks the rafters, crumbling woods, crumbling bodies and crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Whatever weak things are there, weak persons are there, whether they are house, doors, rafters, wood, bodies or lives, all hurts, all are broken by the wind, destroyed by the wind. The poet says, the wind god Binoj and crushes them all. Binoj meaning given, Binoj means blow grain free of chaff, separate grain from husk by blowing on it. The poet says that wind is god. He says that the wind god Binoj and crushes them all. Crushes them all that are weak. Poet says that the wind is strong and it makes fun of weak person or animals. It breaks the doors, houses, rafters, bodies, lives, wood and hearts, and it removes, it separates the grain from husk by blowing on it, and it crushes all the weak persons or the things. In this way, students, today you have studied how the wind blows fast. First of all, the poet requested the wind not to blow fast, to blow softly, so that the books cannot fall down from the shelf. But the wind did not follow. The wind did not listens to the request of the poet, and it blew fast. And the result was that it broke the shutters of the windows and scattered the papers and threw the books down from the shelf. And not only this, it brought the rain and it made the fun of weak persons or things, persons or animals, and it also breaks the weak houses, doors, rafters, wood, bodies, lives and hearts. The poet says that the wind is strong and it separates the grain from husk by blowing on it, and it is God that crushes the weak things, weak persons or weak things. Further what happened I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.